Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girls, the 2Moodychics.
Girl, why you ain't say your name?
Oh! Well, don't forget we gotta cut this out. Okay, come on. Straighten your face. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girls, the 2Moodychics. It's Quinda.
And Sita.
And on today's video, we are going to be talking about the rebranding of our channel for 2020. Go ahead. Tell them what it's about.
So we are going to be doing a lot of changes to the channel, as you probably have already noticed. In the beginning, we kind of did more wig reviews, which was cool. We liked them, but you know, we never intended for our channel to be a wig review channel. I know some people probably thought that that's what we were. But we're not a wig review channel.
Actually, the wig reviews were like an afterthought.
Yeah.
Like we were starting the channel for like vlogs and beauty stuff, and then we were like, okay, let's review this one wig, and then they got a lot of crazy views and stuff.
Plus, we like wigs, so we was like, you know, why not review some? You know, and if some business deals come because of that, then it do. But if it don't, we'll be mad at it either.
Exactly. And it's kind of hard to do wig reviews for companies because they make so many demands and it's not really worth your time. So,
yeah. And so, another thing that we've been saying is makeup, more makeup looks. So, as y'all can see today, I kind of came on and I'm not looking so bummy today. Like, I did like a natural / neutral makeup look. But expect a whole lot more makeup looks probably within the next few months.
And as you guys can see, I'm rocking the
she has a
natural.
Weave. It's called Wig of Diamonds.
It actually got a little cut, you know. They took my inches, but
a wig.
It's gonna grow back. But your girl is rocking the natural. No wig today. But back to the topic at hand, the rebranding of the channel. So we are still going to do wig reviews. We're still going to do vlogs. We're still going to do what else were we doing on the channel?
More talk videos.
No, I said what were we already doing? I think we got
well,
vlogs.
That's all we was doing. We was doing we did one makeup video, which was like a 3-part video, and we did some vlogs, and we did like wig reviews, and that's all we did so far.
But yeah, so moving forward now with the channel, what we're going to start doing is more talk videos, podcast style videos where you won't see these two gorgeous faces, but you will hear our voices, and we'll be talking about like what is it, like pop culture topics and popular things that's going on, news,
or just any topic that we kind of feel like we want to talk about. And I don't want to just be limited to just like pop culture, but just anything. Like
that's what I was trying to explain to the people. I was trying to let them know.
Well, you want to get to the point.
Anyway, she you know, she got a little wig going on, a little makeup, she know how to act. But anyway, so yes, like the talk videos and the podcast, like the talk videos, we'll be sitting in front of the camera. It'll be like this. We'll talk about whatever, you know, that topic is for that video. But our podcast videos, this is something totally new to the channel. We haven't dropped one yet. When you see this video, it may be one on the channel. It may not be. I'm not sure which one is going to get uploaded first, but you'll hear us talking. You'll see like pictures and slides and things, but we'll be talking about like whatever that topic for that video is. You won't see us though. So those are going to be in addition to the channel. She's going to start doing makeup videos. I may film some nail videos. We're still trying to work the setup for that. So
yeah, expect a lot more makeup videos. I'm going to try and do like weekly makeup looks if I can, because I'm in real life I'm known for makeup, but I don't think in the social media world, at least on our business page, I don't think people really, you know, see us that way or even pay attention or even care enough. So definitely I'm going to drop more makeup looks. That's a given, whether it be in the story or whether it be on Instagram or whatnot. Secondly, like we know that most of our viewers come from YouTube.
Yes, they're not from like our Instagram. Most of the views on our channel are from people that have subscribed on YouTube or are not subscribers. They're not from our social media pages.
Yeah, so therefore we market some on 2Moodychics, but we don't market that heavy on it because I don't know if it's the algorithm messing it up or people just not choosing to participate. But we kind of know where our views come from, and it comes from YouTubers.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, not YouTubers, but it comes from viewers.
The general viewers of YouTube, yeah.
And, you know, they like talk videos right now. So
yeah, I mean, for our channel, like, some people can make a talk video, it won't get those numbers. Our talk videos are the most watched things on our channel right now, so that's what we're really going to start focusing on, because that's obviously where the traffic is being pulled to our channel. The second is the wig reviews, and I think third is the vlogs, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the three main things. And then if she's gonna start hitting y'all with the weekly makeup looks, baby, it's gonna be done. Okay.
Yeah, so start showing more love on Instagram. We don't know why you all don't. We even ask and create polls. You all will like the picture, but you never drop comments, and we like comments. Like, you liking it, but we don't know what you like. And then we ask questions attached to the picture, but you all don't respond.
Mm-hmm.
And we know you respond because we see you responding to other people's pictures.
Don't air them out like that.
I'm not airing them out, but it's the truth. Gotta keep it real. I don't know how to be fake, so I'm just saying, like, and show more love, because we drop comments when we see them. I mean, nobody can beat the algorithm, but if y'all say, if you like this or rate this, or we try and do it.
Mm-hmm. And then, like I said, I may start filming some nail videos. I have to get the right setup. I think this tripod that we have now, it will allow for the angle to be filmed for the nail videos. But I do need to get like a new phone or a camera or something to start filming my nail videos. So those may be added to the channel, but don't hold your breath for 2020. It may not happen.
Why are you not doing the nails?
I just said I gotta get the setup worked out. I don't want to get the people's hopes up and then like it don't happen. Then they come back in like July and be like, girl, you a liar, But if y'all haven't noticed already, for 2020 we've been dropping weekly videos. So we've been trying to keep the content coming, but we need y'all's support. We need you guys to subscribe. We need you guys to like, leave comments, let us know what you're thinking. Be interactive, because we are interactive. Like, if you leave a comment, you say something, we will respond back.
We've been on YouTube for a year now, and we kind of took a little break in between, but we've come back, and it's like the engagement just isn't there. Again, that is me questioning, like, why aren't you guys engaging with us? It's like, if you like a picture, please drop a comment or something too, or if you see a picture and you like it, actually hit the like button. That helps.
Yeah, if you're subscribed to this channel, I don't know if you guys know, but if you're a subscriber here and you don't know about our Instagram, it's 2Moodychics on Instagram. So if you're just subscribed and you haven't followed us over there, go follow us, so that way you can see like pictures and polls and questions.
And we are rebranding, so there are a lot of changes, and you all may like some of the new changes. Like, we are in a transition period. Like I said, we came back, we've been back for a while, and now we're kind of like seeing where our analytics are and where we need to go as far as the channel. So I've been paying close attention to that, and just seeing what you all like, what you all don't like, what to do more of, and stuff like that. And then just being more on the graphic side of things, graphic design and animations, and making the videos better and more professional. Like, there's going to be a new banner, there's going to be a new intro, a new outro, and so stay tuned for that.
So if y'all watching and y'all do good graphics and stuff, hit us up, let us see your work, and then we'll reach out to you. So please, like, if you see this and you do graphic design, if you don't know how to make banners and intros and outros, leave it in the comments, leave your social media so we can take a look at it, and then we'll discuss pricing and things like that, because we are looking for somebody that can do that.
And we're also going to do a giveaway pretty soon, because we have hit another 100 milestone on YouTube, where we've gained like 100 more subscribers, and we're pretty close to hitting another 100 mark. So for that, we're going to do a giveaway. And
we really appreciate that. Y'all don't know how much it means, like, when we see those numbers going up and we see like the engagement and the watch time is going crazy. It's like,
we have a couple videos that's nearing 1,000 now. So
like, that's insane to think that we've been watched that many times, and it means a lot. So we appreciate it. Keep subscribing, keep sharing our videos, and we're gonna keep the content coming. 2020, game over.
So pay attention, stay tuned for the giveaway, because once we do hit that number on the dot, we're gonna do a giveaway, and you all are gonna like it, because it's stuff that everybody likes. we want our channel to like have a variety of things. Like we're not a one-trick pony in real life. We don't want to be a one-trick pony in the YouTube world. So we want to cover all these topics. So
exactly.
That's why we don't just do makeup. You know, we don't just do nails. We don't. You know, we want to cover a lot of different things.
Yeah, like in real life, we do some of everything. Like we do hair, makeup, wigs, nails. We talk a lot about different topics. We can offer advice and things like that. Have a lot of world experience. Have a lot of school and educational experience. So, like I said, we are bringing it for this coming year, and we only hope to grow from here. You know. So yeah, we don't, like I said, we don't want to be that one-trick pony. We're not just a wig review channel. We're not just a vlog channel. We're not just a talk channel. We do it all.
Yeah.
So whatever you see on the video, like when people say, what do they do? We do everything. We do it all. That's what we're trying to do.
Yeah. So
and we have playlists too. So like to make it easier for what you want to watch, just go to the playlist and then you can watch all of those videos that you like to see.
Yeah, let us know what you want to see more of. So if you like something and you want us to do it like more, you know, let us know. Let us know what you like or what you don't like.
We don't know if you don't tell us.
Let us know.
So if you like it and you're not saying it, we don't know. Y'all gotta let us know.
Yeah. And don't forget to comment too in the comment section on YouTube. Like if we do like a talk video and you like feel like you can add to the discussion, you know, by all means, like drop comments. We always reply back to the comments.
Yeah, guys. So, like I said, we're gonna keep the energy going, keep everything rolling for 2020. It's gonna be a lot of changes coming, but it's gonna be changes that you guys will like, and we're gonna enjoy doing. Like I said, these podcasts are gonna start hitting pretty soon. It may be one on the channel by the time you see this. It may not be, but just know when you do see it, don't get scared. You know, it's us behind the camera. It's just us two.
Yeah.
If we have a special guest or something, which we're thinking about. Maybe, you know, and somebody that likes to talk. Okay, she likes to talk. She likes to talk. Okay. She's crazier than me. So, like, we'll let y'all know if we have a special guest or something like that. But right now, it's just us two doing the podcast. As always, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on 2Moodychics on Instagram. Share our videos. Let us know what you think down in the comment section below. Give us any topics that you want us to talk about, any ideas that you have, where you guys want to see the channel go, and what you got to say.
That's basically it. You know, just let us know what you want to see more of. That was my question to y'all. Just what do you want to see more of?
Yep. So we're gonna keep the weekly videos coming. See you next week, guys. Bye.